Hi, good morning. Steph's on travel. Like I told you before, today we're going to talk about money. So, my first question is, what is money? It's a rhetorical question, so please don't answer. Slide. So, throughout history, many different cultures have used different items as currency to exchange or trade for other items. Some of the most bizarre ones I found is the Yap Islands. On the Yap Islands, they use huge stone discs, which they have to travel to neighboring islands and carve those stones and bring them back over hundreds of miles of sea in order to use them as currency. Because of the large size, they don't actually change hands very much when they're exchanged. They're actually just left on the side of the road. The natives there, they do know whose is whose. And it's such a small community that when some of these stone discs change hands, the news travels fast. Additionally, these are called cowrie shells. They have been used in many parts of Asia and Africa. Historically, they have been used as currency for a longer time than gold and silver coins. Slide. All right, so now I'm going to go over the non-scientific survey that I did. So I did an informal survey of friends and family that showed that 32% of respondents would rather have a Federal Reserve note, which you see here. Many of you know it as a $10 bill. Well, it has a $10 face value. On the other side, you'll see there's an American Eagle coin, which is actually made out of 1 ounce of fine silver. It has a face value of $1. But if you look at this chart here from Kitco.com, the spot price of silver, 1 ounce of fine silver, on June 2nd was worth $15.96. So the face value of the $10 bill is greater, but the actual value of the coin is more than the $10 bill. Slide. All right, so in the United States and many other countries, we use what is called fiat currency. That word fiat comes from the Latin word fiat, which means it shall be or let it be done. It's used in a sense of an order or decree. So our currency, dollars and cents, are not backed by any commodity. Basically, it has no real value. So the values given to these currencies are derived from the issuing government's stability and the faith of the people in that government. Next, please. All right, so now we're going to talk about the U.S. dollar more specifically. So the U.S. dollar has a long history of being the world reserve currency. If you look at this small chart here from Forbes.com, you'll see since 1995 to 2010, all this green part, that's the world foreign exchange reserves of dollars. So you can see it's been about 60% or greater than 60% this entire period of time. All right, so the reason why people hold these in reserves is because most countries around the world have great faith in our government in order to maintain its stability. Also because we have the largest economy in the world. So additionally, some commodities are based on dollar bills. They're traded in dollars. Most recognizably gold and oil. All right, so there's an inverse relationship in these commodities and the dollar, meaning if one goes up, the other generally goes down. Next slide. All right, so you can see here, this is just showing what I just talked about, the inverse relationship. So in the first part